Hey, what's going on today, guys? Davey here, and well, I brought you something
A little,
a little interesting.
Yeah.
So I'm over here where I last shot my video with my friend Chase,
Allah.
and this is for his bird Peanut.
Hi, Peanut.
So there's something that they can do.
Ready, Peanut? What? What are you doing?
See, that's freaking awesome. Do it again. See, that's freaking awesome. And I am shooting with the S7 Edge, which has a nice little radius to it, I think. So, hold on, let's get a little bit of light in here. There we go. See, now we're filming a little bit better. So, I just wanted to come on and show you guys this because it's freaking awesome. And expect more vlogs with this because I got this phone so I could record because my camera itself is having issues with recording and uploading and all that. So let's see you tomorrow.